What if I told you that having absolutely no credit history right now could actually be your biggest advantage? That starting from zero puts you in the perfect position to build a 700 credit score in just 90 days? While people with bad credit are stuck trying to fix mistakes for years? Here's the truth most people don't realize. Building credit from scratch is actually easier than repairing bad credit. When you have no credit history, you're a blank slate. The credit scoring algorithms are designed to reward responsible behavior from day one. I'm going to show you the exact three-step system that can take you from 0 to 790 days flat. Step 1, the foundation account. Within your first week, you need to open what's called a credit builder loan. These are small loans, usually around $1,000, that are designed specifically for people with no credit. The money gets deposited into a savings account that you can't touch until the loan is paid off. Here's why this works. You make monthly payments of about $35 for 12 months. Every single payment gets reported to all three credit bureaus as positive payment history. By month 3, you'll have established a perfect payment track record that accounts for 35% of your credit score. Step 2, the secured credit card acceleration. In week 2, apply for a secured credit card with a $200 to $500 deposit. This isn't a prepaid card. It's a real credit card that reports to the bureaus. Use it for one small recurring bill each month, like your Netflix subscription. Here's the critical part. Pay the balance in full every single month, but wait until the statement generates first. If you pay before the statement date, it shows as zero utilization and doesn't help your score. You want that 1 to 10% utilization to report, then pay it off immediately to avoid interest. Step 3, the authorized user boost. Around day 45, ask a family member with excellent credit to add you as an authorized user on one of their oldest credit cards. This instantly adds their account's age and payment history to your credit report. I've seen this add 50 to 80 points overnight. Now here's the timing secret that makes this 90-day system work. You need to space these applications properly. Credit builder loan first, secured card 2 weeks later, authorized user request at 45 days. This shows responsible credit management without looking desperate to lenders. At the 90-day mark, here's what you should have. 3 positive trade lines reporting, perfect payment history on all of them, low credit utilization under 10%, and a credit mix of both installment and revolving credit. This combination typically generates a score between 680 and 720. One critical warning, do not apply for any other credit during these 90 days. Every hard inquiry drops your score 5 to 10 points temporarily. You need all 3 of these accounts reporting positively without any negative marks from too many applications. What happens after 90 days? Once you hit 700, you can qualify for your first unsecured credit card with better rewards. You'll also get better rates on auto loans and might even qualify for a mortgage. But here's my question for you, Miriam. Which step of this system are you most excited to start with? Let me know in the comments below. Are you starting from zero credit, or are you trying to rebuild from a lower score? Tell me your current situation and I'll give you personalized advice in the comments. And if you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button because next week I'm revealing how to go from 700 to 800 in the next 90 days.